Intro. Really need a new intro. What's up, y'all? It's your girl. I am Letitia Danielle. Hello. I need to come up with a song. Today we're going to talk about the sounds you need if you are a streamer on your SOUNDPAD. Okay, and that's the reason why you're here. So I'm going to go over what mic I have, what arm I have, what caster I have, sounds I have, where I get the sounds, how to actually program the sounds, and we're going to listen to them. So, why don't you chime in? Okay. My space number 1 that I have on here is not lit. Because Babe has to do it. This is my sound for when I'm lying. No, baby. Let me see. I have another sound that I programmed, which I think is hilarious. It's kind of like, what the fuck? And then we all know the famous one. And then I really love this one because this is really like get the fuck out of here type shit.
Oh my god, bro. Oh hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. Get your goddamn ugly ass.
Now, this next one is my favorite because it's trending. It is hilarious the amount of videos I've seen on shorts, TikToks, YouTube shorts, wherever. It's hilarious what you guys put to this. It's so funny. All right, next is kind of like duh. I like this one. Bruh. You know, that's the old school. This one I might re-record, but he's hella funny and I watch him all the time and I just like when he says this.
Okay.
But it's not the exaggerated version like I like. I like when he goes, okay. So, let's get into where I got my sounds, because I know someone's going to ask. So, you can get this as an app. It's called there's a few of them, actually. Let's go over that. I have myinstance.com. And just so I can show you on my phone. So, the app, you get a certain amount of sounds that you can play for free, and then you have to pay for it because they'll have little numbers at the end. So, let's kind of tap in. So go to your browser, type in my instance, home. I use the browser Ecosia because it helps the planet. You can get seeds, soil, and trees you can plant with every search that you do. It helps the earth. So it's kind of cool. So I don't use Google or AI. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so you're going to get all of those sounds that I just played on here. The only one that you can't get on there is the OK and the Boys in the Hood saxophone. You cannot get that. So what I did to do that was all you got to do is just go to TikTok, type in the search bar, put in saxophone keeps getting louder. That's the viral sound. And it's literally like the first one that comes up. And I put it to the mic while it was playing. That way you can hear it. I'm still working on my mic sound, so hopefully while I'm doing this video it's cool. Because I can't hear it as I'm editing or as I'm filming it. I have to like film a little bit, hear it, film, hear it. So I'm still working on that. So don't get at me. All right. I have the the mic that I have. Well, first let's talk about the audio interface mixer that I have is the Maono. It's for dual XLR. Where are you guys at so I can see? So this is what it looks like. Hold on. I don't know. The way my husband set it up, I can't really move it. So this is what it looks like. And when you want to program a sound, there's already going to be a pre-recorded sound that says, you have downloaded the Maono mixer, whatever it says. And then so you're going to hold it down a long press. It's going to flash really fast. That lets you know it's deleting whatever was previously there. I know my light is kind of bright, but you can see it flashing, hopefully, if you're not blind like me. And then when you're ready to record, you do like a short press. So let's do a short press. Oh, didn't do it that time. Hold on. It'll do a slow flash. You see it flashing really slow? I hope you can see that. You can kind of see that it's flashing. So it's recording me right now. When you're done recording, just press it once. Done. And it should play back what I was saying. It'll do a slow flash. You see it flashing really slow? I hope you can see that. You can kind of see that it's flashing. So it's recording me right now. When you're done recording, just press it. And it's going to stay highlighted as it's playing to let you know that it's still playing. And also, you'll see it on here. All the colors will light up. Okay, so now that we got that down, so you can, on this one, you have 8 you can program. I'm not going to go through all the buttons because you can find way better videos to go through that with you. I do have the Fee-Fine, excuse me. I do have the Fee-Fine low arm. I like this. It's really, for a heavy mic, it's very sturdy. And also you can put the wires in here seamlessly. It just sticks out right here on top. But you can clip this open, feed the wires through, close it, clip it, up and down, left, right, all around. You can actually fold it. But by the way, my system, everything's set up right now. You can't really see everything. Let's kind of bring this back. I'm still working on my setting in the background, so don't do me. And then also, what else did I want to talk about? Actually, I think I got all of it. So yeah, I'm going to work on my sound. I need to move this. Hold on. So far, I'm loving it. Hopefully that helps you guys. There's also other websites where you can get sounds from. Let me pull that up. Oh yeah, the kind of mic that I have. I know someone's going to ask me, what kind of mic is that? Let me get the exact name for you. So you can do USB and XLR, which is dope. It's the Maono XLR USB dynamic microphone. This is RGB, red, green, blue. It's a gaming mic. It does have software you can download, an app on Mac or Windows. You can connect it to your phone. Super dope. It has a mute button. You shouldn't hear me right now. If you do, then I jack something up. You should hear me now because I muted you. Gain knob, volume control, headphone jack for streaming, podcasting, and recording. It's the PD200X, and I got white because my desk is white. I believe they have black and pink. Don't quote me on that. I could be totally wrong. Maybe that's the arm. No, it's the Fee-Fine arm. Comes in pink, black, or white, I think. I got them mixed because this Fee-Fine, I like it because they didn't brand their name all over and plaster it. So you can't tell that this is a Fee-Fine arm. Unless you look all the way at the bottom down there, which no one will ever see. So that's kind of dope. And let me go to these websites. So you can also go to freesound.org. and get sounds from here too. They are completely free. My dog's looking. Oh my god, look how close Jackson kicked. So anyways, there's a lot of different sounds here that you can choose from on that website as well. There's also prosoundeffects.com. You can download for Mac or Windows. So those are the 3 sites. There, you can also do Filmcrux, filmcrux.com. They have sounds there as well. You can download those. Those are more for, you'll download a link and you can actually connect those to like OBS systems and softwares like that, or Adobe Premiere Pro. They also have like when you're video editing. Actually, wait. Yeah. Hold on. This is more so for video editing. Sorry. I have so many windows open. Oh, yeah. So those are 2. Yeah. That one's for video editing. Just like Pixabay. I have all this shit up right now. So I think that's it. That's all, folks, for the day. Hopefully that'll help you get through everything you need to get through. Make sure you guys, so I'm going to start streaming on Twitch. I'm going to go live. I want to be connected to my community. I think it'll be better for us that way to connect. I just want to hear what the people got to say, what you need to know, what's going on in life, and also for you to see what's going on with me. I'll be doing chatting, talking, IRL podcasts with some other friends. Those are going to be fun. So go and follow me over there. I am Letitia Danielle. I am Letitia Danielle on Twitter. Am I that on X? That's my TikTok and Twitch. What's X while we're talking about it? I think that one is something different. I am Letitia VDH, but you can always type in I'm Letitia Danielle to come up anyways. What else that I got going on? A lot of rebranding going on. I want to do a lot of fun new things. I just want you guys to see it. I'm going to be about it and not talk about it. So hopefully you guys, this helped you. Comment down below and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.